Very nice. You don't know circle, you don't have that. Then, if you knew this, hello, quiet. Huh? Your body is everything is asked for you. Shares and dividends. So we are not done shares and dividends. Then that's all. Circle and shares and dividends. Rest of nonsense. What is the problem there? This is simple question. You could have scored very well. 10, 20. This is given the value now. Mark less than the value it is given. Class level. I know. You could not identify class level. That's all. This is a cumulative frequency is given. Hello. Yes, Somil. Yes, Somil. When the mark comes, then after that I will also jump for you. Okay. 75. 75. What the mark?
Teacher told sir.
How much mark?
75.
75. You said I will get 77 above?
I told that.
You told?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. I remember. So then when exams are over now? That's the exams are ICSE asking people to do trigonometry. When are you going to do trigonometry? Scary. So in the exam you tell it's scary, so I will not do. When? Huh? Why then Who is playing this Coca-Cola? So tell her to take now. You brought no? Yeah. What practice you did? Why? Huh? What is going to? What is happening to you?
Sorry.
What sorry? Every exam you are unwell. Is it? You tell me last exam also you are unwell. Some exam you did not appear. Exam time you are getting unwell. This exam also you did not.
Which exam?
This last two previous exam you did appear on subjects?
Yes.
Last year also some exam.
No.
You,
I attended all the exams.
So this every day you are going out to do. Yesterday you could have done now if you are planning to go out. Your things are not going proper, my dear. Sit down. Yeah. Advait, did you get the mark? Your teacher did not tell how much he got.
The same teacher.
How much he got? How much your friend Akshara got? You know everyone, there are some people are getting full mark in the class.
No, this time highest 77.
And you are 75.
Yes, sir.
79.
79.
79. So that is as good as full, huh?
Yes. Over that.
Advait, no idea how much you got. You know it?
No.
Huh?
I don't know.
70s?
I don't know. Oh, I tell you.
So which chapter we started?
Sir, we have to start shares and dividend.
Why shares and dividend?
Sir, because
Subject exam.
I used to.
Yes.
Sir, voting, sir. Shares and
Voting.
There is no voting.
Volume 1.
Right, chapter heading, right, circles.
Sir, I did not know that we are having.
We are having?
We are having. Goal.
Goal.
Protractor. Rounder. Yes. Circles were only.
Yes. Right, chapter 17, circles. Everything is complicated. Trigonometry is complicated.
Only checking.
circle is also complicated.
I don't know.
So listen. Circle, all of you know. What is? Don't know.
Circle is infinite points.
Sir, I chapter heading circle written.
No, we are
Right.
1 minute. You don't.
Advait stand up.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay, Somil stand up.
Sir,
Uh,
okay, sir.
sit again.
I will go behind.
Okay, go behind. Right, circle. Set up all points in a plane. Right, what is it? Circle written. Set up all points in a plane.
What?
Set SET of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Which are equidistant from a fixed point. Otherwise, read what is written over there. You read from your
Yes.
book.
Circle is a set of all points in the plane which are equidistant from a fixed point.
Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
It's a plane figure. Look here. All the points are equidistant from a fixed point. What is that fixed point is called? Listen carefully. The fixed point is called its center. Write down. The fixed point is called its center. The fixed distance is called radius. Fixed point is called the center and fixed distance is called the radius. Written? Now look, where is that arithmetic? No, over here, listen. This is the center. If we join to any point on the circle, this is called the radius. How many radius can be drawn? Infinite. Okay. The circle means this curve only is called the circle. Okay. Is it center is a point on the circle?
No.
It is inside the circle. It is not a point on the circle. Understood or not? What do you mean by circumference? Boundary. Okay, this boundary is called the circumference of the circle. Okay, that means, do you know what's the area of a circle?
Yes.
Pi r square. What is its circumference?
2
Pi
pi
r. Perimeter, circumference and perimeter same thing. 2 pi r. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, next is I am going to do one by one properties of here. Listen all of you here. Do you know what you mean by chord of a circle?
Yes. It joins 2 points on
Any
the
2
circle.
points on the circle. Line segment joining any 2 points. AB is called the chord.
We can count the diameter of as a
And listen, do you
It is
follow
the
what
longest-
is
it is
what
the
do you
longest
follow?
chord.
What is it a chord? Is it radius is a chord?
No.
Radius is not a
No.
chord. Okay. The chord which passes through the center is called its diameter,
Longest one.
which is the longest one. What is the relation between diameter and the radius?
2 r.
2 r.
Diameter
It
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
2
2
r.
r.
Okay. Followed all of you?
Yes.
How many chords can be drawn? Infinite. How many parallel chords can be drawn? Infinite. How many equal chords can be drawn? Infinite. All are infinite. Okay. Any 2 points. Understood or not? Okay. Do you know what you mean by interior of the circle?
Yes.
Inside.
Circle divide the plane into 3 set of points. Points inside the circle. This is a point inside the circle. This is a point on the circle. This is a point
Outside.
exterior to the circle, outside the circle. Interior point, okay, exterior point on the circle. How to identify whether the point is inside the circle?
We can see
We will see. And see, other than saying something else is there.
chord.
How to identify whether the point is inside the circle?
The chord will pass.
Chord.
Chord.
Listen, if a point is inside the circle, Distance from the center will be less than radius. A circle of radius 6 centimeter. A point is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the center. Immediately you say that point is inside the circle. Are you followed? When a point is inside the circle, distance from the center is less than radius. The distance from center is equal to the radius on the circle. More than the radius outside the circle. Clear? MCQs can come. Then identify. Are you followed? I don't need to write. One statement if you want to write, write. If a point is inside the circle, then its distance from the center is less than the radius. Okay, understood. Remaining it is clear now on the circle under. Now, do you know what is the meaning of concentric circles?
Yes.
What
They
is
have
it?
same center.
Circles with the same center are called concentric circle. Are you followed? What is called? Concentric circle. Same center. Then next is equal circle.
They have equal radius.
Congruent circle, equal circle. All of the meaning is radii are equal. If radii are equal, it is called the equal circle or congruent circle. Center is same means concentric. Are you followed? Okay. Now I am going to tell two types of circle. One is called the circumscribed circle and inscribed circle.
Yes.
Circumscribed, inscribed. Saumil, stand up. Krishna, stand up. You come here. Krishna, come here. Go and sit down. There.
Scores that phone.
Give that mobile. Give one mobile and give it to me. Otherwise, I'll throw it outside. Keep it over here. At the end of the day, you will take. You don't show that also. You also get able to tell that. Don't show.
I will not see.
Oh yeah. Now, listen. The word circumscribed means circle is outside. Inscribed means circle is inside. Circumscribed means it is outside. I'll tell you. Okay, remember this one. Something. Polygon circumscribed means polygon is out. Or quadrilateral circumscribed means quadrilateral is outside. You are like here. Have you seen this one? I have drawn two quadrilateral and circle. Here you can see circle is outside and passing through all the vertices. This one it is coming as what? Circle is inside and it is touching all the sides. So this circle is called inscribed circle. This circle is called circumscribed circle. This quadrilateral is called inscribed quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is called circumscribed quadrilateral. One which is outside is called circumscribed. One which is inside is called inscribed. Okay, simply not. Suppose if I draw this way. It is not inscribed. It should pass through all the vertices. Like that. Clear these two? Followed. Okay. No problem. Chord you followed. Do you know what you mean by arc of a circle?
Yeah.
Hello, close the book and listen. I will tell you to read all these things.
Yes.
What do you mean by arc of the
Reason,
circle?
arc and minus.
What do you mean by arc?
Points on the
Point is called arc.
no.
Listen, what is the meaning of arc? Means any part of the circumference.
Bar. 2 points following apart. So man move behind.
I will ask this Riya to slap you, then she will slap also. Then don't tell all these things.
So man move behind actually hold it.
Then why did you come up front?
3 hours.
Huh?
I
Okay, sit down.
yes.
Now, arc of a circle. Arc of a circle means any part of its circumference. This is called the arc. See, over here, if I join this one, what is this line segment called?
Chord.
You would like to join there? So this is called the chord and this part is called the arc. Are you followed?
Yes.
Now look here. Arc, there are two types of, there are three types of arc. The smaller one is called the minor arc. The major one is called the bigger one, major arc. And if it is division is equal, it is called semicircle. Are you followed?
Yes.
There are three types of arcs are there: minor arc, major arc, semicircle. Are you followed? Are you listening? Hello. Reading we can do later. You listen. Okay. Over here, I have said one is listen all of you. Then the angles I will explain. There you have to be careful. Minor arc means here simply you just write arc AB. This part is called minor arc. Or if I write arc ACB, have you seen arc ACB?
Yes.
That is which type of arc? Minor arc. Major arc.
Also AB.
So if you write major arc, you cannot simply write major arc, simply arc AB. If it is coming major arc, always you have to write major arc AB. Okay. Simply if you write arc AB means it is always minor arc. If I write arc PQ, which is arc PQ? Minor arc PQ. Suppose if it is coming here this one, PQ. I can take this also PQ, this also is PQ now. So which has to be taken? Minor arc PQ. Which is the minor arc? This is smaller. If you want to tell about this arc means always you have to write major arc PQ. Are you followed?
Sir, but what if it goes through middle and
It is middle, that is semicircle.
but
Yes.
we cannot miss it.
That is not minor. That is why now what did I tell? How many types of arcs are there? 2 types or 3 types? Huh? 3 types of arcs. There one is minor arc, second one is major arc, and third one is semicircle. Equal means semicircle.
How will we
The
write that?
diameter divide the arc semicircle PQ. Okay. That diameter, if we join a diameter, it will divide the circle into 2 parts. Both the parts are called semicircles.
But the names will be same for both of them.
Yes. That is, both of them are same semicircle. Okay. There is no properties will remain the same. Now, look here. The next is the next part. It is coming as. So we have done chord, diameter, arc. Now I am going to talk about this. Is the properties are coming here. First is before, because there are 2-3 cases. One is sector and segment, that is coming little later. Before that one, angle at the center, angle subtended at the center. Angle subtended at the center. Look. If you consider the arc AB, listen here. because these are the parts here going to come calculations. If you join OA and OB, this angle is called the angle subtended by RKB at the center. Look here, I repeat, angle AOB is the angle subtended by which are RKB at the center. If I take it as this one, CD, do you know what is the angle subtended by RCD at the center? Join OC and join OD. So this angle is called the angle subtended by RCD at the center. Meher, what is the angle subtended by RKC at the center? Angle AOC. Understood or not? Then Smith, what is the angle subtended by CB at the center? Angle COB. Is it clear, all of you? No. So this is main word is clear. This is which when the arc is minor arc. Suppose if it is angle subtended by major arc AB. What is the angle subtended by major arc AB? Not major AOB. This angle is called reflex angle. You remember reflex angle? This is reflex angle AOB. This angle is angle AOB. This angle is which angle? Reflex angle. Remember, these important theorems are coming with based on this one. Okay, this angle is called reflex angle AOB. This angle is called angle AOB. Okay, now if I take this is a semicircle. What is the angle subtended by semicircle AB? That is equal to how much? 180 degree. Understood or not? Okay, so write in the book. Angle subtended by minor arc AB at the center O is angle AOB. Minor arc AB at the center O is angle AOB. Did you write? Next, angle subtended by major arc AB is reflex angle AOB. Angle subtended by major arc AB at the center is. What are you doing there? You don't need to. What I am telling you, right? Angle subtended by major arc AB at the center is. What did you write? Reflex angle AOB. Reflex. Simply don't write reflex angle AOB. You can how to write this way? Only reflex angle AOB. Next, third one. Angle subtended by semicircle AB at the center is angle subtended by semicircle AB at the center is 180 degree. Angle subtended by semicircle AB at the center is how much? 180 degree. Written all of you? Okay. Follow these all things. When semicircle at the center, this is again later certain things again will come that I will explain. Followed what all things are discussed. Smith, are you followed? Okay. There is no problem this much. Now, have you heard about sector and segment? Do you know what you mean by sector? Yes, what is sector? Sector is angle. Sector is not angle, it is a region enclosed.
Region enclosed by arc.
Arc and the radii. This one. This is called the sector. Are you followed? This, if the arc is minor, it is called minor sector. The remaining part is called major sector. Are you followed? Okay, this is called sector. Which sector? Minor sector. If you want to figure into big figure and keep. Major sector. Definition if you want, it is a region between rad 2, radii and r. Okay, next segment. It is a region enclosed between chord and this one is called minor segment.
That is major.
So if the arc is minor, minor segment. If arc is major, major segment.
And there will be two minor segments.
Two minor segments. Now any number of minor segments can be there, no? Why two? What do you mean by two? This line chord divides the circle into two parts. One is minor segment and the other is major segment. If the equal division means each are semicircle. Diameter if you draw means both are semicircle. Semicircle is an semicircle is a sector. Like you know, if I draw semicircle is a sector. Semicircle is a segment also. Okay, if I take semicircle and if I make it is a sector as well as a segment as well as an arc. Are you followed? Is it semicircular segment means yes. Okay, minor segment is less than semicircle. Done this much, all of you. Now, first is we have done last year in the 9th standard 4 to 5 theorems are done. First I will write that theorem, then we will come to the theorems of here. Okay, that one is useful. Right, first one, theorem. Theorem 1. I will write only, it's a simple theorem only. Right. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. If you have not followed, I will explain. Second theorem, theorem 2. If two chords subtend equal angles at the center, if two chords subtend equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. Two chords subtend equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. Theorem 3. Perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord.
What's that?
Perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. Theorem 4. Theorem 4. Line drawn from the center which bisects the chord is perpendicular. Line drawn from the center which bisects the chord is perpendicular.
You must tell me the right.
Oh,
You should say here.
Which bisects the chord
is perpendicular to the chord. Is perpendicular to the chord. Written all of you? Now, Did you follow all these theorems or should I explain anything? Smith, what happened? Read the first theorem.
Equal chords of
Yes, Smith.
Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center.
Equal chords subtend. Look here. If AB and CD are equal chords, then what is the meaning?
They are equal angles.
So what are they?
AOB equals to
AOB equals
COD.
to COD.
Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That's all. If this is equal, then these two angles will be equal. Agreed or not? Suppose if it is given this is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter means these two angles are equal. Clear? What is the second theorem says? It's opposite. If these two angles are equal, then AB is equal to CD. If two chords make equal angles at the center, then these two chords are equal. Clear or not?
Yes.
Followed? Right. If angle AOB is equal to angle COD, immediately what you can tell? Therefore AB is equal to CD. Converse of the theorem, opposite of the theorem. Okay? Huh? Are you following? No. Your liver is okay now? Medicine is okay. You are okay now? Perfectly fine? Not good. Now, the second theorem, third theorem. Let me finish after the third theorem. What is the third theorem says? Perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. Yes, tell me.
Divides into two equal parts.
Means if it is OC is perpendicular to AB, then which are the two equal halves?
AC equal to
AC is equal to CB. Yeah, where is your mobile? Down where? You have to call lot of friends calling you. Put inside the bag or keep it down here. Arey, well, keep it down here. No, keep it down here. Friends are calling. Virtually is calling. Then, hold there. Okay, so perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. This much is
Somebody is watching.
then next one. Theorem opposite, it's a converse. What is it here? If it is bisecting, then it is perpendicular. Means if AC is equal to CB, OC perpendicular. Followed all of you? These all theorems are followed. There is no problem. Okay. These are the theorems. You have to be careful. Now, next. This all I don't need to explain now. You are as and whenever it is coming, you have to use this one. Next theorem. Next theorem. Okay. Right, theorem 5. There is this theorem we don't use in anything, but it is a property sometimes. There is one and only one circle. There is one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. One and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. There is one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. First of all, do you know what is the meaning of non-collinear points?
The points which are not in the
Points which are not in the same line. Suppose if I take A, B, and C, are they collinear or non-collinear?
non-good.
Non-collinear. The theorem says how many circles can pass through this? Only one. You cannot draw more than one. Always you can draw a circle passing through three non-collinear points. If the 3 points, suppose if it is over here, A, B, and C, how about these 3 points?
Not good.
They are not collinear. They are collinear. Can you draw a circle? You cannot draw a circle passing through all three. Understood or not? Only because points on the circle are any line if I draw, it can meet only 2 points.
Yes.
It cannot be more than 2 points. Understood or not? So 2 points. Now, look, if I consider only 1 point, so how many circles can be drawn through 1 point? Infinite circles. So is listening. You are not giving the answer. If you consider a single point, how many circles can be drawn? Not one, infinite. One, like that. Infinite circles can be drawn. Are you followed? Yes or no? Through the point. If you consider two different points, what happened? If you consider 2 points, how many circles can be drawn through 2 points?
2 points, 1 circle, 1,
1, 2, 3.
1,
Now it should pass through both of them.
1.
Now write down in your notebook. Not, N-O-T-E. Not. 1. There are 1 by 1 notes are written. There are infinite circles. There are infinite circles. Can be passed through a single point. Can be passed through a single point. Written not 1. Second, not 2. Infinite circles. Infinite, second one. Infinite circles can be drawn through 2 given points. Infinite circles can be drawn through 2 given points. Are you followed what is written? Means if these 2 points are there, how many circles can be drawn? Infinite. How it is drawn means, look here. If I draw the perpendicular bisector, any point if you take, if this is the perpendicular bisector, and take any point on this one, you can take this and this are equal length. So you will draw a circle. And from here to here, the radius, it will pass through this one. On this point as center, radius this one. Draw the circle, it will pass. Okay, every point. There are how many? Infinite circles passing through 2 given points. Understood or not? Now, third one. No circle can be drawn through 3 collinear points. No circle can be drawn through 3 collinear points. How many knots you wrote? 3, not 4. Perpendicular bisector of a chord. Perpendicular bisector of a chord always passes through the center. Always passes through the center. Written. That is fourth knot now. Fifth knot. Knot 5. What happened, Array? What is it?
Circle.
This is the thing is going on. I'll also make one over here. Okay. Perpendicular bisectors of 2 chords. Perpendicular bisectors of 2 chords always intersect at the center of the circle. Always intersect at the center of the circle. All of you know what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector?
Yes.
Okay. All of you know it. This much is followed. Anything you need an explanation? No. No. So far, so good.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes.
We are not yet reached to the main things. This much followed now. 2 minutes break for all of you.
Thank you, sir. Very nice.
क्या वो सारे छोटे छोटे फ्री फायर करता रहता है
बता. क्या बोलूं मैं? शांत बैठ। आगे क्या करना है? तेरे पापा का नाम पता है क्या? तेरे पापा का नाम पता है क्या? बता दूं क्या? नहीं, मैं भूल गया।
Yes. Now, listen.
Sir, they called me from UT on ये वो webinar है कल तो उनको confirmation चाहिए था.
So why in a hurry to call?
उसका फोन आया था but हेलो करेगी they are not working so I have to work again so he said we confirm.
No call. That should be there. Let's see how many people are calling this. Why this is who took the call? Who put it in the order? Give a moment. Keep it on. Otherwise, stand up there.
What I did?
You stand up there.
Now he will come, I will go.
You decide. Your duty is next day. Before I enter, all the mobiles should be here. Okay, including yours.
My phone has submitted that.
Understood? Sit down. When I come over here, hold on. Chalo, listen now. Here. The theorem which we are going to discuss is the most important theorem of this chapter. Lot of places we are going to use that theorem. Okay, it is, and based on this theorem, you are going to get 3-4 properties more. So that much important. That statement you have to learn. So right, theorem. Theorem 6.
Theorem 6.
Theorem 6. Angle subtended by an arc. Write down what is he doing. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice or double focusing is twice the angle subtended by it, twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Angles are remaining part of the circumference. Remaining part of the circle, circumference, all things same here. Part of the circle or circumference. I repeat the statement. Angle subtended by an arc. I will ask you to tell the statement, not that bhajan, okay? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Learn?
Yes.
That statement you have to learn. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the. Huh? There is no name for this theorem. Yes, you have to write this statement. That is it. We almost every theorem says it. This is the theorem we are going to do lot of places. Look here, all of you. If you consider the arc, let's say AB, okay? If you consider the arc AB means which arc? Minor arc AB. What will be the remaining part of the circle?
Major
arc. Or if I consider major arc AB, what is the remaining part of the circle?
Minor arc AB.
Now, if O is the center, what is the angle subtended by arc AB at the center?
Arc AB.
Angle AOB is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining. Suppose if this is the point. Look here. Angle subtended by arc AB at the center, that is angle AOB, is twice the angle subtended at any point on the remaining part. Means what is the relation between these two? Angle AOB is twice the angle ACB. Have you seen? Angle AOB is twice. Means if this is equal to 30 degree, what will be this one? 60 degree. If this is 80 degree, what will be this? 40 degree. Okay. Angle AOB, look here, it's starting. One is at the center, one is another point, any point of it. Angle, not followed. Followed. Angle AOB, angle subtended by arc at the center. Angle ACB, any point on the remaining part. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, now look here. If it is I draw a major arc, suppose if I take major arc AB, what is the angle subtended by major arc AB? What is the angle?
AOB.
Wrong.
Reflex
angle AOB is equal to here. What is the relation? Here the relation is reflex angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. Here what is the relation? Angle AOB, this is the one. The angle AOB is equal to 2 angle ACB. Are you followed these two cases?
Yes.
Yeah, all of you look here. If you want a rough figure, you have to draw this one and mark it. If this is reflex angle AOB is equal to twice angle ACB because it is major arc AB. Minor arc AB means angle AOB. Proof also is there, it's not required, so I am not explaining, it's a simple proof only.
Every time it will happen.
This is every case, always.
But if the minor is very small.
Very small, that means small also it's a twice. Angle AOB is equal to, means if it is minor arc means angle AOB. Major arc means reflex angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle AC. C should be a remaining part of the circle. With these two three theorems, we have classwork itself around 30 sums are there. And equal number homework is there.
10, 10, 10.
No.
Only 11.
Yeah, only 11 will see.
13 only.
You will see the remaining. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, next theorem, right? Theorem. Right. Angles in the same segment. Right. Theorem. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Written all of you? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, angles in the same segment. I said what is the same segment? Look, if I take this one.
Order.
This part is same segment now, this major.
AOC and
Now look here.
BOD are equal.
No.
ACB and
ACB and ADB are the angles in the same segment. This line also will not be given. How to check hero? Please listen here. Don't do these all things. Look over here. Starting. How we have to check means starting and ending should be the same and on the same side. ACB, ADB are equal. Follow all of you?
Yes.
Pakka.
Yes.
Okay, there is another pair is equal in this one.
Yes.
AD and CBD. CAD, CBD are equal. Agreed all of you?
Yes.
Sure. All of you followed. Those are not followed, raise your hand. What do you not follow? Not followed. Not followed. Look. Consider this one. Starting point and ending should be same and on the same side. Go in any direction. See, it is like A, C, B. A, D, B. Reaching at B.
Yes.
Okay. Or if it is starting C. C, A, D, C, B, D are equal. Clear now? Sure. All of you followed. Who asked you to draw circle? Priya, take the comments. Keep it away.
Sir, DAC, sir, DAC,
DAC. Are you CAD and DAC same thing now?
Oh, yes.
Yes or no? Look here.
More. Sir, now confusion.
So you have anything?
Sir, no, sir. सब ऐसे उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया सर मेरी ड्रेस
Not more.
Yes.
One more, sir.
देख लीजिए सही है
Sir, please mention.
one more sir
पूजा सर.
Okay now.
Not mention.
Yeah.
song में देखा
Yes, you have. Okay, I'm going to ask. Tell me angle equal to BFE.
BFE
E. Stop talking. Stop now. When I tell BFE means you should start with B and end with E. BFE means BCE or BDE. You should go that way in the same side. Opposite side you should not see. This should be in the same side.
No.
If I do this one means this side only, not in this side. Okay. Now, if I'm going to ask another one. Angle AEF, ADF and ACF. Or these three are equal. Okay. If it is, are you follow? Another one. Angle FCE. FCE. Only FDE. It is not the below side. You have to see upside. FCE and FDE, not this side. Understood or not? Don't look at the other side. Are you followed? If I see FC, now I did not ask close anyone. Write one more property. Right, theorem. Angle in a right. Angle in right. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Did you write?
Yes. See, sir.
Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Listen all of you. Next class coming, you will study properties. I will explain.
Can we do exercise?
No circle, no need to do anything. Okay, let's see. No, trigonometry. Right and distance, trigonometry. If you want similarity, do and come.
Okay.
Full. That's all.
फोन कर दे यार वो बेचारे को